Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what makes your computer or smartphone actually work? It's not just the hardware. It's the magic of the operating system, or OS. Today, we're going on a whirlwind tour through the history of the OS, from ancient giants to the devices in our pockets. Let's dive in. Back in the 1940s and 50s, computers were massive machines with no OS at all. Programmers had to manually feed them instructions using punch cards or flicking switches, one task at a time. It was incredibly slow and tedious. Then, in the 50s and 60s, we got batch systems. Imagine a stack of homework assignments. The computer would take a batch of jobs and run them one after another, no interruptions allowed. This was a big step up in efficiency, especially for huge mainframe computers like the ones from IBM. The real game changer came in the 60s and 70s with multiprogramming and time sharing. Suddenly, multiple programs could live in the computer's memory at once, and the CPU could juggle them. This allowed multiple users to work on the same computer simultaneously. The superstar of this era was Unix, born in 1970. It was portable, multi-user, and incredibly influential. The 1980s brought computers into our homes. This was the dawn of the personal computer, or PC. We saw MS-DOS, a command line system where you had to type everything out. But then, in 1984, the Apple Macintosh arrived, introducing the world to the Graphical User Interface, or GUI. The mouse, windows, and icons were born. This GUI revolution exploded in the 1990s. Systems like Windows 95 and Mac OS made computers accessible to everyone, not just tech experts. And in 1991, a student named Linus Torvalds created Linux, an open-source OS that would go on to power a huge part of the internet. The 2000s were all about refinement. We got more stable, secure, and connected operating systems like Windows XP, Windows 7, and modern Mac OS. They were built for the internet age, with powerful multitasking and multimedia support. And that brings us to the present era, which kicked off around 2007 with the rise of the smartphone. Mobile operating systems like Android and iOS completely changed how we interact with technology, focusing on touchscreens and apps. Today, the world of operating systems is still evolving, with trends like cloud-based systems, AI integration, and a constant push for better security and privacy. So, from manual switches to swiping on your phone, the journey of the operating system is really the story of how we've made technology more powerful and personal. What OS are you using right now? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech history.